Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so Arnold has released some superior keto bread. This is good because now Aldi's been having like a supply problem, and I found a regular grocery store like Publix that now has this new bread. So you can see that keto breads are starting to spread. It's starting to become a thing. Alright, so let's check out the ingredients. Right now you've got water, modified wheat starch, wheat protein isolate, oat fiber, sunflower flour, soluble corn fiber, organic soybean oil, yeast, inulin, which is chicory root fiber, natural flavor, sea salt, mono and diglycerides, preservatives, calcium propionate, sorbic acid, soy lecithin, guar gum, xanthan gum, citric acid. Currently selling for $6.99 in the grocery store, which is a little bit higher than the Aldi bread at $3.99, but you do get a little bit bigger loaf. It is a pound as opposed to 14 ounces at Aldi. All right, so let's make a grilled cheese sandwich out of it. Let's taste it, see what we think. All right, so I wanted to show you that the Arnold bread is roughly the same size as the Aldi bread, but you notice the texture is a little finer. Also wanted to show you that any cheese slice is roughly a little bit bigger than the bread, so what I had to do was I actually had to break it up into pieces to try to get it to fit in there so I could just make the sandwich. Alright, so normal grilled cheese stuff. Medium, low, high, carbon steel pan, threw the butter in, got it to start melting. Make sure the bread was hit with some butter on one side till it started to get nice and toasty. Then when the rest of the butter started to melt, I gave it the old flippity flop. Once the cheese melted, I pulled it from the pan and sliced it in half. Alright, so if you like this video, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And that being said, let's taste it. Alright, let's take a bite. Alright, so let's go over the cons. The downside is there's no sweetener. It doesn't hold the toast that well. It's okay. It does hold it, but it does break a little bit. Not cheap, a little more than most keto breads, and the bread's a little small. So that's the downside. The plus side is the ingredients are cleaner. There's some more organic ingredients, which is why it may cost a little more to buy. And the bread tastes better than the Aldi bread. It's got a better flavor. It does. So if you're looking for a better tasting keto bread, now the total carbs on this bread is 11, and with 8 being fiber, so there's 3 net carbs per slice. So you also may not like the fact that there are higher carbs. You know, 0 net carb at Aldi versus basically 6 net carbs for a grilled cheese sandwich. But you still get your fiber in there. Alright, so who is this bread for? I think if you're someone that's just gonna like toast bread in the morning and you want to put some fat on it, put some butter, some avocado, some cream cheese, then this bread's perfect. It's got a nice flavor, it'll toast up and get you exactly what you need. If you're into someone that's looking to like make a sandwich and make some sandwiches that you have to pile a bunch of stuff on, you may find this frustrating. Alright, so let me know, what are you gonna do? You gonna give this a shot, or are you gonna take a pass? Hit me up, let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, be well.